Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Glass Steamer is probably one of the most versatile kitchen tools you can find, offering a healthy and convenient way to cook your favorite vegetables, fish, and even dumplings, all while preserving their nutrients and allowing you to monitor the cooking process through its transparent glass design. Unlike other steaming methods, a glass steamer provides a clear view of your food as it cooks, ensuring perfectly prepared meals every time, and its easy-to-clean design makes post-meal cleanup a breeze. Number 5. Cuisinart STM 1000 Steamer. Get ready to enjoy healthy and delicious steamed meals with the Cuisinart STM 1000. It's the perfect way to cook your favorite foods while preserving their nutrients and flavor. It features a powerful steam system that cooks food evenly from top to bottom. 5 pre-programmed settings make cooking a breeze, whether you're steaming seafood, poultry, or vegetables. The LCD control panel is simple and intuitive to use. Start, stop, pause, and even reheat your food with ease, all while being alerted with an audible tone. It includes a 60-minute countdown timer, a stainless steel steaming tray, and a convenient glass lid. The steaming tray is even reversible to accommodate different food types. With its 5-liter capacity, it's large enough to prepare family-sized meals. Steam enough vegetables, fish, chicken, or rice for everyone to enjoy. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty, and is BPA-free for your peace of mind. The user manual provides troubleshooting steps and warranty details. What we like? It features 5 pre-programmed settings for different foods in a large capacity, perfect for families. The LCD control panel makes it incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use for family-sized meals, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a modern design and combines well with the kitchen. The steam retains the delicate tilapia flavor and is so flaky. Scallops are very tough for me to pan fry and get perfect every time, but I've steamed them 3 times in this steamer and they are perfect with that sweet taste each time and not greasy, not hard, and not dry. I am able to cook grains, rice, buckwheat, oats and quinoa, seafood, shrimp, lobster, scallops, mussels, poultry, chicken, vegetables, broccoli, corn, zucchini, carrots, potatoes, green beans, asparagus, and manual mode for pasta. I love that all I have to do is pour clean water in the tank and place it in the back and turn it on. It's incredible smelling all the spices, garlic, onion, chives. My kitchen smells amazing during the cooking process. Number 4. 28 cm stainless steel steamer pot. This high-quality steamer is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect steaming every time. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle. Check on your food's progress without lifting the lid and losing heat. The vented glass lid allows you to monitor cooking easily. It's compatible with various cooktops, including gas, induction, and electric. Steam dumplings, vegetables, fish, or poultry with ease. This steamer features 2 tiers and 2 steam racks, maximizing cooking space and allowing you to steam multiple dishes simultaneously. You can also use it as a single-tier steamer or a casserole dish. It's a healthy way to cook, preserving nutrients, texture, and flavor in your food. Enjoy delicious, nutritious meals with minimal effort. What we like? This steamer has a see-through glass lid for easy monitoring and a 2-tier design to maximize cooking space. It's compatible with various cooktops and ideal for various dishes. If you need a versatile and space-saving option, this is a great choice. What people say. This little steamer basket has folding legs and it folds closed and opens easily. Nice for storage. Well constructed and fits all pots. Used to steam vegetables and shrimp. The larger green handle allows for easy handling with hands without the use of utensils to avoid a hot surface. The foldable feet with a rubber pad same color as the handle act as a wonderful way to avoid scratching the pot. Number 3. Baderke Glass Cooking Pot Set. This glass cooking pot set makes a thoughtful gift. It includes everything needed for cooking, plus a steamer, brush, and spoon, making it incredibly practical and versatile. It's perfectly sized for everyday use. The pot holds 60 ounces, and all the accessories are conveniently sized for comfortable handling and storage. Made of borosilicate glass with a wooden handle, it's both safe and durable. It can handle temperatures from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and is suitable for various cooktops. The clear glass allows you to easily monitor your cooking. The long wooden handle provides a safe and comfortable grip, and small holes in the lid prevent boilovers. For best results, preheat it with warm water and use low heat. Avoid strong flames, and ensure there's enough water in the pot while cooking. What we like. It's a compact and practical glass pot, perfect for smaller kitchens or as a gift. The set includes a steamer, brush, and spoon, making it a thoughtful present. If you are looking for a small, safe, and giftable option, this is perfect for you. What people say. This is a great multi-use glass sauce veggie pan. It has a steamer addition that is plastic with holes in it, allowing the liquid from the food cooking in the bottom to rise up and steam veggies in the second layer. Without the steamer, this is a really stylish and versatile pot for all kinds of uses. Number 2. Secura 2 Electric Food Steamer. This innovative steamer is designed for healthy and efficient cooking. It's perfect for steaming vegetables, fish, chicken, and more, all while retaining essential nutrients. With 800 watts of power, it heats up quickly, generating steam in just 15 seconds. Enjoy fast and convenient meal preparation. It features 2 stackable baskets, maximizing steaming space and allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. This saves you time and energy. The cool touch handles and non-slip lid knob ensure safe operation. It also has an anti-dry protection feature with auto shut-off for peace of mind. Steaming is a healthy cooking method that preserves nutrients and eliminates the need for added oils. It's the perfect way to prepare delicious and nutritious meals. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Enjoy years of healthy cooking with this reliable appliance. We're confident you'll love your new steamer. That's why it comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This electric steamer boasts fast heating and a double-tiered design for efficient cooking. The auto shut-off feature adds an extra layer of safety. If you value speed, safety, and efficient cooking, this is the one for you. What people say. The plug unplugs so the bottom pot can be rinsed under the sink. What a time and stress saver. Stainless steel. See-through glass lid. Lid aisle ticking sound and red light when it's on. 8-0 shut off. Cleanup is quick, wipe out with soft cotton rag, keep it shined with a small spray-on rag with furniture polish. Steaming is much easier. Number 1. WMF Vitalis Steamer. Get ready to experience healthy and delicious steaming like never before. This innovative steamer is designed for optimal cooking control and ease of use. It features a removable thermometer, allowing you to monitor the temperature precisely. This ensures perfectly cooked results every time. It's not just a steamer, it's also oven safe up to 180 degrees Celsius, making it incredibly versatile for various cooking methods. Made from high-quality chromargan stainless steel, it's dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and built to last. Experience the difference of German engineering. This steamer is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Its patented base ensures even heat distribution for energy-efficient cooking. For over 150 years, WMF has been synonymous with quality and innovation. This steamer embodies that commitment to excellence. Upgrade your kitchen with the WMF Vitalis Steamer and enjoy healthy, delicious meals with ease. It's the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. What we like. It includes a built-in thermometer for precise cooking control and is made of high-quality stainless steel. It can be used as both a steamer and a roaster. If you appreciate quality, precision, and versatility, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Funktioniert super. 100 MIT Gemus MIT Gesklossen Deckel UND Trotzdem Nussbrig. Perfettament Imballata. Esteticament Bella, Ottimo Material. El acero inoxidable es de la mejor calidad. El aparato es estupendo para cocinar al vapor cantidades grandes de alimentos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.